This massive ferry is sinking fast.
There she goes.
This is the MV Twin Capes, a 320-foot luxury ferry made about 45 years ago.
And that area where the cars used to go is just letting the water in 100 times quicker. Wow.
That is sinking super fast.
No doubt.
This one, however, is actually being sunk on purpose to further improve Delaware's artificial reef. And the purpose for an artificial reef is to give something for marine life to cling onto and grow. Little fish get a nice place to hide, which attracts big fish. So despite how this looks, sinking a ship can actually be good for marine life.
Uh-oh, she going down upside down.
Wow, I mean, what did that take? Like 2 minutes? That's going to look so cool over time when you scuba dive and see that entire ship just covered in green marine life, like they do in the movies.